I am very happy Anand Ranganathan today is rubbing it in. But the same Anand Ranganathan used to curse BJP every time we used to talk about Ajit Pawar. So today Anand Ranganathan has also seen the light of the day. I am happy for him also. But now Anand Ranganathan, now make an acronym for that also. That how you used to curse all our political acumen. So I think sometimes you should concede that maybe we know a little more about politics than perhaps a political scientist. Thirdly, let me also speak that look, what is this let me complete now, 30 more seconds. The third point is that look, you can only mislead the people once, whether it's constitution, whether it's this charges about, Hindenburg and now new charges coming up. I only have a humble request. Don't blame constitutional institutions like EVM, Election Commission. Today, Uddhav Sena and today NCP Sharad Pawar are getting less than independents. At least they are leading on lesser seats than independents. This kind of family-style politics is seeing an end. You must wake up and smell the coffee, and it would be better that you don't hijack parliament session with some fake report. That's all.
Okay, Anand Ranganathan, respond. Your name has been taken, yes.
Yes, charge was made by my brother Shehzad, so I must respond to that. BJP did induct corrupt people that he said were corrupt, and BJP is corrupt because of that. I will continue to say that. And if you look at this huge mandate, Shehzad, for you to say that Ajit Pawar is no longer corrupt because BJP has won a landslide, BJP without Ajit Pawar faction has also won a landslide. So the point is BJP is winning, but as I said, somebody needs to tell them that they are winning. They don't need to win at all costs. For you to keep on inducting people that you call corrupt, left, right and center, you're not just a washing machine now, Shehzad, you're a dhobi ghat.
Well, let me just put out 1 minute, Shehzad. No, there is I'm sorry, this is also about news. I have to put out the news. Please give me a moment. I just want to say there is a issue that must not escape anybody's notice. All this while, the charge that was made, and Vivek Srivastava, Tehseen Poonawalla, please pay attention. The charge was made that institutions in this country are working as per the government of the day. May I tell you, in the people's verdict, when the party split, the Shiv Sena Shinde faction walked away with 72% of the MLAs. Okay? 72%. Today, 78% of the MLAs are with the Shiv Sena, and that has emerged as the real
what
Shiv
happened
Sena.
in the Lok Sabha result?
1 minute. So this is the real Shiv Sena. So the election commission should be given its due, because it has been called names again and again and again as being completely a limb of the government. Today, the decisions on both the symbol of NCP as well as Shiv Sena are correctly decided by the election commission. Tehseen Poonawalla, will you concede that fact, yes or no?
I think today is a day. First of all, I want to congratulate Shehzad and the BJP spokesperson. A lot of more work's coming their way. No, I think today is a day we should refrain from attacking institutions. It's a day we should accept this result. We can always introspect.
No,
and I have to say something.
We won't accept.
And I have to say something.
We don't accept.
And I have to say something. It is ballot is B-A-L-L-O-T, B-A-L-L-E-T. Somebody's tweeted it. It's a form of dance. The person who's attacking, Sanjay Rao tweeted. So just to put that on record, ballot is a form of dance.
Well, Sanjay Rao.
That's valid. I'm just saying. I was saying it in the.
Thankfully, he didn't say belly.
1 minute.
I'm out of this
1 minute.
This is Tehseen. You are a most probable Chief Minister candidate. Balasaheb Thorat is trailing behind by 20,000 votes.
अरे नहीं है दूध में ये
बोलिए